Hi there and welcome to the festivities and welcome to the month of August. और अब मौका है देखने का what is in it for you in the month of August in the latest August catalog, which is full of wonderful products that you can shop, that you can gift, and the gifting season has started with Rakhi round the corner. तो चलिए सबसे पहले देखते हैं. तो सबसे पहले है मेरे बॉक्स में दिस न्यू इंटीमेट वॉश विच इज फेमिनल. जैसे आप देख रहे हैं द पैकेजिंग हैज चेंज. दिस हैज एलोवेरा, दिस हैज लैक्टिक एसिड, इट हैज प्रीबायोटिक्स एंड इट इज ग्रेट एज एन इंटीमेट वॉश फॉर योर इंटीमेट एरियाज फॉर वुमेन. इसमें हमारे पास 2 अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स आए हैं. एंड देन आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड माई नोवेज प्लस क्लेंजर विच वॉज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर. ये एटलीस्ट 3 months चलता है मेरा. There's this new shower gel which has organic strawberry and the bottle looks so cute, like you see. Moreover, then I have this new Tender Care which has a tiranga on top and it has 3 different colors of the Tender Care. अगर आपने कभी Tender Care use किया है, you will know that this is one of the best lip balms that you can use and it is extremely hydrating. Then there are these 3 nail paint shades that I have ordered. इसमें 4 नए shades आए हैं. I really like these 3 shades that you're seeing. So I picked this for myself and I ordered a couple of small lipsticks. और इनके shades बड़े interesting थे, जो दूसरे lipstick में नहीं. There's a nice nude color. Let me show this to you. So this is what it looks like. So it's a very nice. और ये 99 की आपको मिल नहीं 129 की है शायद. I'll check on the price and tell you. Then I've ordered my loose powder जो एक मेकअप फिक्सर का काम करती है और मेकअप को बहुत अच्छी लॉन्ग स्टे देती है. ये मेरा रेगुलर यूज प्रोडक्ट है. So I love to use this and it's a great time to be using it. And there are some new products also which have been launched and I love to pick up the new products. Why? Because I like to try them. So look at this gorgeous bottle of the milk and honey with jasmine. तो इसकी खुशबू भी बहुत great है. And look at the packaging. Black and gold. And then let's see what I have. Oh, then I have my Novage Plus Day and Night Cream. As you can see, ये मेरे business class benefits में आए हैं. And there's a day and a night separately. And finally, I have a bad throat. Finally, I also have the new Milk and Honey hand and body shower gel. So you can use it either which ways. So this is what I have in my very first order. But इसके अलावा कैटलॉग में है बहुत सारे और प्रोडक्ट, जैसे कि ये beautiful perfumes. You can start picking up your gifting stock for Diwali because इससे बेहतर डिस्काउंट आपको नहीं मिलेगा. Perfumes are a great gift. You can see many of them are at a 40% discount in the back pages here. And Ekla, you have Scope, you have Nordic Waters जो मेरा personal favorite है. And इसके अलावा then like I showed you, we have various makeup products. So we have some excellent offers for people who do 75 and 135 points this month. अगर आप एक brand partner की तरह register करते हैं और करते हैं अपने 75 BP in the month of August, you get a Havells की hair dryer worth rupees 1295 for just rupees 199. And if you do 135 BP, then you get F&P ka excellent serving spoon set. You can use it in the festive season worth 2999 for 299 only. And if that's not all, अगर आप अपने 225 पॉइंट्स करते हैं इस महीने एंड नेक्स्ट मंथ, यानी कि इन अगस्त एंड इन सितंबर, यू गेट दिस ब्यूटिफुल vacuum cleaner. जी हाँ, this wonderful vacuum cleaner, and introduce 2 people and make them do 75 BP and then you get this massager, foot massager. तो gifts की तो बौछार है इस महीने. Go all out. It's a great time to show the catalog to people, to collect orders for yourself, to order products for yourself and enjoy the August catalog completely. So all the best to you. Do get in touch with me in case you have any doubts about the products or about the catalog offers. See you, take care, and a happy festive season to you.